like to say thanks to my instructor, Dr. Phạm Thanh Tùng, and Master of Science, Năng Thộn. And I will pass the architecture, and now I move directly to the structural part. This part I have 5 assignments. First of all is design the structure plan for all story. Design the axis and the frame axis number 2. Design the staircase, design the slab, and design the foundation. I select the monolithic reinforcement concrete system and ridge slab system for this building. Firstly, I preliminarily select the dimension for all components, column, beam, slab, core wall, and steel wall based on the formula of Dr. Lê Bảo Huế and American Standard ACI. And then I calculate all the load applied on the building, such as dead load, live load, and wind load. This building is higher than 40 meters, so I have to consider to the effect of the dynamic load, wind load. And then I input all the data to the software ETAP version 2015 to calculate the internal force. And then after I combine the internal force to find out the critical internal force in all components, I can calculate the reinforcement in frame axis number 2 like this. Here is the detailed drawing of column and beam and the joint. And then based on the scale of this construction, based on the internal force that I calculate in the previous part, I select the ball pile for the foundation structure. At this drawing, I use 2 kinds of piles with a diameter of 1000 and 1200 millimeters, with the load bearing capacity is 400 and 500 tons respectively. And then I calculate and check all the conditions. For example, the potential condition, settlement condition, and load bearing capacity of the soil under the pie cap. And here is the pie length I read this, and here is the pie cap that after I calculate. And about the staircase and the slab of typical floor, I also select the preliminary the dimension, and then I verify the calculation diagram and calculate all the load applied on the component. And here is the result after I calculate. It's all about reinforcement arrangement. And that is about the part 2 structure. And here is the last part, construction. My assessment in this part is design the formwork for the column, beam, and slab of superstructure, just superstructure. Design the construction methodology, establish the construction schedule, and the last assessment is arrange the master plan. The formwork I use for this building is frame-placed plywood with the steel rack, and I use the combination support system. I also verify the calculation diagram of formwork. I calculate all the load applied on the formwork and then based on the geometrical criteria, I can determine the distance between all supports. For example, here is a distance between the form type, or distance between the gutter or gutter stringer, and arrange the combination support system like this. About the construction methodology, I use tile crane for pouring concrete in all story. I use hoist to I use tile crane for transporting the formwork, reinforcement, and equipment too. I use hoist to transport the finishing materials and worker. I use the ready mixed concrete, and I use motor fixing machine to serve the finishing task. So based on the capacity of this tile crane, I divide the plan into 2 small partitions like this. And then after calculate all the work volume, calculate the labor based on the norm 1776. I can establish the construction schedule like this. And I consider to all the interruption, organizational interruption and technical interruption, and here is the result. The labor here, the construction duration is 202 days. The total labor is 1,900. The average labor is 62. So based on the data here, based on the average labor here, I can calculate the area of temporary house, temporary office, and based on the volume of finishing work, I can calculate the area of storage. And with the wind direction here, with the position of construction and with the construction area, here is my master plan. And that's all my final project. Thank you very much for your listening.
Can I ask a question? I hear you, please tell me that the labor total in the rest, our 1,500 is so much. So you divide the layout to those right? So how many teams for one job? And how many workers for one team? So I heard you measure the labor so much.
So firstly, I would like to say thanks to all of your questions. About the first question, the information of to start any project, I think we should know about the first. You have to choose the construction technology, and that's for construction. So you have to have task. Yes. Okay. I got it. Yes. You have to list all the tasks. You have to before. you mean about the problem of using software? Oh, before start, I have to reset or reset all day. For example, in the standard, the worker is off at Saturday and Sunday, so I have to reset it. Yes. Yes. How many times? 2 times. No. Yes. I make it myself. Maybe I don't understand clearly your idea.
Đổ lại ghế ẩm lắm. Tí nữa bảo vệ xong thay hồ setting.
Yes, of course. I need to